First and foremost, sincere apologies for not posting more videos lately. I have been super duper busy in something else. You'll see that very soon. It's going to be much more than just YouTube. Got something big coming up from Kushan, and I'll let you know when that is ready. In the meantime, I will be posting a few of my landing and takeoff videos. Enjoy this wonderful landing at Chennai. You can see the cricket stadium in the background there. We come in over Marina Beach in for a buttery smooth landing with Air India on a X Vistara aircraft. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like what I do, please do subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks again.